Hey y'all, it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge. Now, I've been planning on making a receiver hitch mounted vise for quite some time. I didn't originate the idea. A fellow that worked on the high ropes course at the rafting company I used to work at. It's the first place I ever saw one. But basically, it's just a bench vise that's mounted to a piece of 2-inch that will go into a receiver on a vehicle, a receiver hitch. And it's just the guy that I worked with, the blacksmith, he had one that I saw later, and it's really nice. And I mean, just imagine having a vise in the field or on a job site where and when you need it. So anyway, this is my design on one. This first one I'm making for a neighbor who's helped me out a lot. So let's show you what we're doing this with. Okay, here's my material. I've already got it cut. This is the 2-inch by 1/4-inch walled square tubing. There's a 12-inch piece and a 10-inch piece. This is a 4-inch, 1/4-inch plate. 2 pieces of that cut at about 7 1/4. I can't remember exactly where I cut it. Big enough to fit the vise on. This is just a couple of support pieces. 1-inch, 1-inch by 1/4 angle, cut to 2 3/4 inches. And just so you know what we're gonna do, what we got going on, we're gonna put a bevel on these edges in the middle here and weld this plate together from both sides. Grind that down. I'm gonna drill a hole in here for the pin through the receiver hitch, and then weld this on something like that. Then this plate will go on top. These supports will come out like this, and it'll be drilled for the bolt holes for the vise. Okay, now I want to remove these corners. Okay, I'm going to drill a 3/4 hole in this, and now I'm just drilling a pilot hole. Holes drilled, and this is lined up where it'll have plenty of room to go in the receiver and plenty of area to put our plate on top. So now we just need to weld these together. Okay, that's welded on all 4 sides now. Okay, I got the vise set where I want it. I'm going to use a transfer punch to mark where I want these holes at. Okay, I got all the holes drilled. Got one of the bolts that's going to be holding the vise on, just to make sure everything lines up real quick. You know, just to add a little bit of extra strength, I'm going to put this angle iron on here. Okay, it has cooled off, and wiped it down with mineral spirits, cleaned all the cutting oil off and everything, and gonna get started priming it. Anytime I make a tool that's going to spend a lot of time outside, or anything that's going to spend a lot of time outside, I find it best to paint it. I would normally try to do this orange or red, simply because in case you forget, leave it in your hitch going down the road. But I am out of orange and red spray paint, and I want to get done with it. So blue it is. Okay, so grade 8 bolts. I'm also using lock washers with the nuts on the bottom. Putting the nut on the bottom so I have the most clearance up top. Okay, there's our final product on the in a receiver. Get the idea. Well, it's got some movement to it, but you can still do everything you need to do with it. Well, y'all, that's it. So I hope you at least got some ideas from that. I've got quite a bit more of that 2-inch tubing, so I'm going to be making several receiver hitch mounted tools and appendages here. That's what I bought it for. I've got to make a vise for myself. I took that one down to my neighbor that I was making it for. He was very happy with it. And, you know, it's just all kinds of things that you can make, that you can mount, that will make your life easier in the field, or working on a job site, or working around your farm, or wherever. So anyway, like I said, I hope if nothing else you got some ideas out of this. But mayflies already get. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed the video, please hit the like button below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comments section. All right, y'all behave yourselves now.